Good afternoon, 9th class. Today we'll be discussing the syllabus and the paper pattern of your midterm computer. Your syllabus includes chapter number 1, copy work. All the copy work we have done till today is included in your midterm. All the questions and extra questions of chapter number 1 that we have done are included, plus book work of chapter number 1. Your chapter number 1 book work includes MCQs that are on page number 30 and 31, fill in the blanks that are on your page 31, flow charts that are in your chapter, and the algorithms that are in your chapter. We have 9 algorithms starting from page number 17 till 21. And we have 12 flow charts starting from page number 9 till page number 15. Plus MCQs practice sheet that I have given you in the class is also included in your midterm. Chapter number 5, we have done 5 questions in the copy. You must learn all of them. We have done 5 questions of chapter number 5 in copy, plus we have done the book exercise of chapter number 5. Chapter number 5 only include these things: the 5 questions that we have done in the copy, the book exercise, that's it. PDF file of your copy work will be shared with you. This PDF file of all the copy work we have done till today will be shared with you. Okay, now let's move towards your paper pattern. In Punjab textbook board, your computer paper is of 50 marks total. First, you have objective type of maximum marks 10 that have time allowed 15 minutes. That means you will be given the MCQ sheet for 15 minutes and you will have 10 MCQs. Each will carry 1 mark. So how are you supposed to fill them? Let's suppose there is a question here, A, B, C, D, and the correct answer is B. This sheet will be given to you. This is called bubble sheet. How are you going to fill this? Let's suppose in question number 1, the correct answer you think is B. You have to color the B circle with marker or pen. Make sure that it does not get out of the circle. Circle से बाहर नहीं आना चाहिए. Same goes for other questions. Question number 2. For question number 2, mark the correct answer in front of question number 2. That's how you're supposed to fill the objective part. Answer mark on this sheet will not be checked. Answer mark on this sheet will be checked. And after 15 minutes, your objective type paper will be taken from you. No extra time will be given to you. Now let's move towards your subjective type. Your subjective type will carry 40 marks. That will be of 1 hour and 45 minutes. In board, you have 3 short questions part and one long question part. Section number 1 is of short question, section number 2 is of long question. Each you have to attempt 4 questions from each part. इस पार्ट में से भी आपने 4 अटेम्प्ट करने हैं, इस पार्ट में से भी आपने 4 अटेम्प्ट करने हैं, इस पार्ट में से भी आपने 4 अटेम्प्ट करने हैं. You have 2 questions as choice in each part in board exam. बोर्ड में आपके पास 6 क्वेश्चन टोटल गिवन होते हैं, आपने उनमें से 4 अटेम्प्ट करने होते हैं. Alright? In the paper you will not be given 2 question choices. You will be given only 1 question choice. पेपर में आपको सिर्फ 5 क्वेश्चंस गिवन होंगे जिनमें से आपने 4 अटेम्प्ट करने होंगे. फॉर पार्ट नंबर 2, फॉर पार्ट नंबर 3 एंड फॉर पार्ट नंबर 4. सेक्शन 2 इन बोर्ड एग्जाम आपको 3 क्वेश्चंस दिए होते हैं लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन एंड यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट ओनली 2. मिड के पेपर में भी आपको पेपर ऐसे ही आएगा. यू विल बी गिवन 3 लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस and you have to attempt 2. This is an additional question for your mid paper. This question is not included in your board pattern. बोर्ड में आपको ये क्वेश्चन नहीं मिलेगा, ये आपको सिर्फ मिड के लिए इंक्लूड किया है मैंने. In this question will carry 10 marks. That means your paper will be of 60 marks. But your board paper will be of 50 marks. बोर्ड के पेपर में ये क्वेश्चन नहीं होगा, दैट्स वाई आपका क्वेश्चन पेपर 50 मार्क्स का होगा. इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू विल बी गिवन सम कोड. यहाँ आपको कुछ कोड दिया जाएगा और आपने मुझे आउटपुट शो करना होगा. इस बॉक्स पे आपने आउटपुट लिखना होगा कि इस कोड का आउटपुट क्या आएगा. दैट्स इट. इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन आस्क इन द क्लास और यू कैन टेक्स्ट मी. अल्लाह हाफिज़.